So I'm dealing with these 8th graders, and we have this great relationship. But they're being kind of like, after like 6 weeks, they start to kind of like be a little hesitant with me. I'm like, what's going on? So I'm talking to them, and we talk, and I said, okay, guys, come on. What's going on? What's happening here? And one of the girls, she raises her hand, and she says, Baba, everybody wants to know, but they're afraid to ask. I said, well, what? We want to know if you can read our minds.
Yes. Of course I can.
Now, I could have gone there. But what I did was I explained the truth to them. And then this is where I need my elders to listen very carefully. I explained the truth to them. I said, listen, when you've lived long enough, you start to see patterns in life. The longer you live, the more you recognize these patterns continue to be cyclical. They continue to come back around. In your youth, you don't see the patterns because you're in the midst of living them. But when you reach a certain age, if you have acquired the wisdom, it's not clairvoyance, you just see the pattern.